Hey guys, here's Franz from Pulp-Tec, and today we are going to look at global streams of packaging waste. We are obviously fans of the paper stream, and this we want to highlight by contrasting it to the plastic stream. And therefore, here you find some macro data. This is the packaging flow of plastic. 140 million tons annually, roughly, 98% from virgin fibers. Where do they end up? After being used, unfortunately, 31% end up at leakage in our oceans, in our nature. 40% gets landfilled, which is also not optimal because plastic stays there for a very long time and the risk of contamination into the nature is high. 14% gets incinerated. And then we have our closed loop at 14%, out of which 4% gets lost, 8% are cascaded in recycling, and 2% are really closed loop. Let's look in contrast to this, how do the global flows of paper look like? Here we have approximately 300 million tons, 40% of virgin feedstock. Also here we have leakage, 16%, which in volume is pretty much the same as plastic, but the big advantage is we don't see it in nature. The reason being that the product completely composes and disintegrates itself. 21% goes landfilled, 9% goes to incineration energy recovery, 53% is collected because it has a very high value. Then we have 19% because it's combined products, they go into, it's not recyclable and they go into energy consumption on site. And then we have 17% of recycled material which comes from other applications. And with this, 60% of closed loop recycling we have. So this is even enhanced in EU, where we have 71% of collection. So for this reason, we think it's a great cycle. So whenever it's possible, we know it's not always possible, but whenever it is possible to choose between paper and plastic, this is definitely the choice to go. See you in the next video.